Tuna fish, also known as tuna, is a popular seafood item that is consumed all over the world. It is a nutrient-dense food that is packed with protein, vitamins, and minerals, making it an excellent choice for anyone looking to maintain a healthy diet. In this article, we will explore the nutritional content of tuna fish, how to cook it, and its calorie count. Nutritional content. Tuna fish is an excellent source of protein, which is important for building and repairing tissues in the body. A 3-ounce serving of tuna fish contains approximately 20 grams of protein, which is equivalent to 40% of the daily value, DV, based on a 2,000-calorie diet. In addition to protein, tuna fish is also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for maintaining good health. These fatty acids are known to improve heart health by reducing inflammation and lowering blood pressure. A 3-ounce serving of tuna fish contains approximately 300 to 400 milligrams of omega-3 fatty acids. Tuna fish is also a good source of various vitamins and minerals. It contains vitamin D, which is essential for bone health and the absorption of calcium. Additionally, it is rich in vitamin B12, which is important for nerve function and the production of red blood cells. Tuna fish also contains minerals such as phosphorus, potassium, and selenium. Cooking tuna fish. Tuna fish can be cooked in a variety of ways, including grilling, baking, broiling, and searing. One simple and tasty way to cook tuna fish is to grill it. To do this, preheat the grill to medium-high heat. Rinse the tuna steaks under cold water and pat them dry with a paper towel. Brush the steaks with olive oil and season them with salt and pepper. Place the steaks on the grill and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until the fish is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Another delicious way to cook tuna fish is to sear it. To do this, heat a tablespoon of oil in a non-stick skillet over high heat. Rinse the tuna steaks under cold water and pat them dry with a paper towel. Season the steaks with salt and pepper and place them in the skillet. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until the fish is browned on the outside and rare on the inside. Calorie count. The calorie count of a tuna fish dish will depend on how it is prepared and what ingredients are used.